Hey guys, just had these done for a customer. These are 10K gold, two-tone custom grills with the Starburst design in the middle and the white dust. Okay, check that out. This is solid 10K gold, guys. Check the back side. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. This is a Starburst design, two-tone with the diamond dust in the middle. Beautiful grills, guys. You can do the top, you can do the bottom, or a top and bottom set. That's up to you. Check it out, blingcartel.com, guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.